This has been a great year for cryptocurrency, and it's only going to get better in 2025. So what are the top coins to get before the Santa Claus rally? Today, we'll tell you that in 2 minutes. First, what is a Santa Claus rally? A Santa Claus rally is defined as a rally that occurs in the last 5 trading days in December and the first 2 trading days in January. Since 1969, the market has seen gains over that time frame 77% of the time. Now that we've cleared that up, here are the top 3 coins to benefit from a Santa Claus rally. The first is Solana. Here's some shocking stats Solana was able to accomplish this year. It's the fastest blockchain at 1,500 transactions per second. It has flipped Ethereum and Tron in total economic value locked. The top Solana wallet, Phantom, now has 7 million users, and an update called Fire Dancer is coming soon and will make Solana 1 million transactions per second. The next coin is SWI. If there were a token to be the Solana of this cycle, it would be SWI. The top crypto narratives right now, write this down, are real-world assets, AI, GameFi, BRC20s, meme coins, SocialFi, and DPIN. Right now, the top blockchain for that is SWI. As for the best apps on SWI, those tokens would have to be Chirp Wireless and Carrier One, the former of which we interviewed on this channel. Check it out here. Our third and last pick has to be, drumroll, Bitcoin. Sure, we're not reinventing the wheel, but 1 Bitcoin is a good basis for any portfolio, if you can manage it. Last year, Fidelity's director of global macro, Jurian Timmer, published a risk-reward analysis of various assets, including Bitcoin, and the results were shocking. Here's the chart. Where's Bitcoin, you might ask? It takes 2 images to get the scope of this chart in total. In a world that loves money printing, Bitcoin and crypto are alien assets that will see blockchain technology continue to succeed. Anyway, that's all we got. The floor gets raised every time we make new all-time highs in crypto. That means if you're watching this, you're still early. Until next time.